Good morning, student. Today we will start subject advanced manufacturing process. Our topic is non-conventional machining process. In non-conventional machining process, there is third type of machine. This is WEDO. WEDO. Last period we have to learn EDM, electric discharge machining. Now today we will learn WEDM. The long form of this WEDM. W indicate wire cut. Wire cut. Electric discharge machining. Wire cut electric discharge machining. This is the form of WEDO. This wire cut electric discharge machine works as the same principle electric discharge machining. We have discussed last day. Now only changes here means tool is replaced by here apply this thin wire electrode. In EDM, in place of this wire, there is tool, and here is applied only thin wire. Now, principle of this wire cut electric discharge machining is that electric energy, principle that electrical energy of emitted electron electrons ions of kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy. Principle is that electric energy of emitted electrons or ions of kinetic energy converted into thermal energy. On this basis, this machine can be worked. Here is spark erosion is developed, is produced between the workpiece and electrode. Now, the use of this machine is generally die making, extrusion die, prototype dies. It is also used for making boiler, turbine blade also. It can be produced by this machine process. Now, main parts of this machine is first of all, here is two plates. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is x-axis. It's placed between workpiece. Means first is workpiece, second is electrode, thin wire electrode, third is DC power supply, number 4 is drive mechanism, wire drive mechanism, control unit, drive control unit. Next is dielectric fluid tank. dielectric fluid rod. These are the main parts of this machine. Workpiece. This workpiece is placed on this table. Can be work. Workpiece is made up of steel or alloy steel. Workpiece is made up of steel or alloy steel. Yes, only this machine can applicable for steel and alloy steel, only metal here. Thin wire electrode. This is wire electrode. The diameter of wire electrode is 0.05 to 0.25 mm. The diameter of wire electrode is, this is wire electrode. This is roll from this and passing through the workpiece and in another roll. And diameter of this wire is 0.05 to 0.25 mm only. And the material of this wire is copper or brass. Means wire material is copper or brass. Here is DC power supply. DC power supply, current is supply. Current is supplied 20 to 30 ampere. Current is supplied 20 to 30 ampere and DC volt. DC volt is supplied 415 volt. This is the DC power supply. Now wire driving mechanism. This wire driving mechanism, this is wire rod is here and this is continuously fed to the workpiece. This is wire driving mechanism and direction of this wire driving mechanism is this. This roll in anti-clockwise direction. Start from this wire. Here is from start. This wire is called as fresh wire spool. Fresh wire is fed to this mechanism. This workpiece is fresh wire is fed and passing through this used wire spool. There is two wire spool. This is fresh wire spool and this is used wire spool. And these are the two guide rollers. Guide roller is used to convey this wire roll from this fresh wire spool to used wire spool. And this is wire drive mechanism, continuous feed to the workpiece. Drive control unit. Drive control unit can be worked by CNC system. It can be adjustable X and Y axis. For this, CNC drive control unit is used. CNC system. CNC control system can be used this drive system unit. And number 6 is dielectric fluid tank. From this side, here is dielectric fluid. Dielectric material of this is liquid is distilled water, transformer oil, and kerosene can be used for this dielectric fluid. These are non-conductor, non-conductivity. This dielectric fluid flow through this pump and spray on this nozzle, throughout the nozzle, and passing through this workpiece. High pressure flow of this dielectric fluid is high pressure to this area and to increase the rate of material removal. Dielectric fluid को क्या करता है? To increase the rate of material removal and to very fast rate very accurately and precise work can be done by this dielectric fluid flowing through this workpiece area. These are the use of dielectric fluid. These are the main parts of this machine. Now here is in this DC power supply. Here is 2 point is connected. One positive point is connected to this workpiece. Means this positive terminal is called as anode. Positive terminal is called as anode, and this connected to this workpiece, and another point is connected to this cathode, and this connected to the electrode, thin wire electrode. This is called as cathode. Means another point is connected to this thin wire, that is cathode, and workpiece material removed from this process. Anode and cathode from this DC power supply, and workpiece can be worked at high accuracy with high precise work can be done by this process. Means material removal rate is low compared to EDM, electric discharge machining. Material removal rate is low, but it can be worked high precisely and high accuracy work can be done by this machine. Now application. Application of this machine is used for manufacture of turbine blade in aircraft parts, and is also used for in die making. Means extrusion die, stamping dies, these are the use of this application of this wire cut electric discharge machine. And this machine can be done by very high accurate and highly precise work about this machining process. This is wire cut electric discharge machine.